These are permanent outdoor lights. Look at how cool they look. They leave this reflection on the walls that make it look projection light, and they are good for all weather, cold, hot. You can just leave them outside year long and you never have to worry about taking them off in the freezing cold of the winter or putting them on right before Christmas when you're busy, it's cold outside, your hands are freezing, you're feeling stiff. These just stay outside, and look at how cool they look. They come with this really cool app called Magic Lantern, so you can increase or decrease your brightness to whatever point you want. You can change the light color to whatever you want with a click of a button. There's many different modes, so you can click the style button and you can see there's tons of different modes. So let's do the magic forward. Look at how nice that looks. There's the magic back. This is the color energy. There's literally tons of different options you can pick here. So wide open, change the direction, color transition. You can also program your lights to respond to any music playing. So that, for example, there's actually some built-in music in the app, some Christmas music. You can connect it to Bluetooth speaker and play it. This is Happy Birthday. And then if you have songs on your phone that you're playing via Bluetooth, it'll literally respond to that music. And if you're not playing via Bluetooth and you have a mic, right now it's responding to my audio. So it literally has a mic on the remote that it'll respond to the audio while you're playing. Or you can use the mic on your phone for it to respond to. So if you want to put it somewhere else, the phone, you can put it somewhere else. You can also schedule the lights to be off at a certain hour and on at a certain hour. Depending on the mood you're going for, you can change the color. Like for example, for Halloween, you can pick orange, red, and green for Christmas, or just colorful for any festive occasion. Amazing app, amazing lights. Let me show you an unboxing and how to install the lights. 54 feet in length. You can also get the 108 feet version. Comes with the manual. Comes packaged a little differently. I just unraveled it before the video just to see how they work. These are really nice, really high quality, waterproof. As you can see, these lights, each individual light is already protected. So there's this plastic you just peel off before installation. On the back of each individual light, there's a adhesive. So you essentially just stick this on to your eave or wherever you're sticking them. They stay outdoors year round, so you don't need to take them down after Christmas. They're white, so they blend into your eaves, so you're not going to have them sticking out, looking different or anything like that. They just blend in. The wire here is removable from the adapter, so you can just take the adapter out, tape this up, and kind of stow it away if you're not using it for a few months, and then you can put it back on whenever you need to, or you can leave it connected. No issues there. It'll last you through the seasons. On the adapter itself, there is a controller here, music. So it has a mic, listens to the music, and it'll play the lights in different sequences depending on the music, responding to the music. You have the mode button and then the power button. Let's go ahead and plug it in. There's also an app included. This is the QR code in case you lose your user manual. The app allows you to have even more modes that you can select. You can select the individual lights that you want. So right now, let's put it in music mode. So as I talk, you can see the lights light up. That's pretty amazing. Like I said, all of these stickers need to be removed before installation. That's just for protection while shipping. Slow fade, faster fade. These lights look amazing. Even in the daytime, they're so bright. but you can control the brightness, you can control the light, color, you can control everything about these lights just from the app. The app is pretty easy to use. I'll go through it once I have it installed to show you how that works. But look at how beautiful these colors are on these lights. I'm installing the lights right now. It's super easy so far. I'm almost halfway done. Essentially all it is you take a clean towel and you're gonna wipe off the surface. You're gonna stick your light onto. You wanna make sure you're 2 to 3 inches, maybe max 4 inches away from the wall. You wanna reflect the light on. You just wipe it clean so that your adhesive tape will stick onto it properly. So there's a protective layer on top of the light. You're gonna peel that off. On the back, take the protector of the adhesive off and then stick it 2 to 3 inches away from the wall. And you just press and hold for 5 to 10 seconds for that adhesive to start working, and then move on to the next one. So it's very easy to install. You just want to make sure that you wipe off that surface so your light does stick to it properly. As you can tell, the adhesive is pretty strong. It can even hold the weight of most of the string light by itself, let alone just the one light. Be safe when you're doing the installation. Make sure you have a proper ladder. If you're going up on the up at much taller heights, make sure you have safety restraints and straps attached to your roof, things like that, so you don't fall off. Of course, you want to take proper precautions when doing anything at a height. It can also be helpful to have somebody holding your ladder if you're not very stable on ladders, if you're not used to being on ladders. All right, I have the lights installed all the way around using the adhesive that's already included. So we're gonna go ahead and see what they look like at nighttime.